We want to add these two rational expressions together. Now, before we do that, we want to factor so that way we can tell what our least common denominator is going to be here. So we're going to do x over x plus 10, x minus 10. And the other one, we have 6 over x. So our least common denominator is just going to be all these multiplied together. Least common denominator has to be made up of everything that we see here. So it's going to be x times x plus 10, x minus 10. So what we want to do here is multiply each thing by what it's missing. So the first one has the x plus 10, x minus 10, but in order to get the LCD, we'll need to multiply by the x because the x is the part that's missing on that one. Next, we have 6 over x, and then we're multiplied by what this is missing, x plus 10, x minus 10. So we'll multiply, again, we're just multiplying by a power of 1, so we're not changing the problem by doing that. First fraction, multiply across the top, x squared. On the bottom, we have x times x plus 10, x minus 10. For the next one, okay, we already know what x plus 10, x minus 10 is going to be. That's x squared minus 100, because that's what we originally factored it into. So we already know what goes into that. And at this point, we have the same denominators. So now we can put this together over a single fraction. So let's do that here. X plus 10, x minus 10 we have. And then on top, we have x squared. We can multiply out by the 6. So we have plus 6x squared minus 600. Then we can combine the first two things together and get 7x squared minus 600. That's all going to be over x times x plus 10 and x minus 10. Now, I can't do anything about the factoring. 7x squared minus 600, those aren't perfect squares, so I can't do any kind of factoring for this. And there's nothing I can factor out from the top, which means I would just leave this as my final answer.